How's it going, everybody? Matt with another Maverick video here. Today we're installing an intake finally on the Maverick. We just got this nice intake here from Buschers Racing. It's a pretty simple kit. You got your pipe here, the filter, and a mounting screw. Unlike a lot of other intakes, when you're replacing this whole entire pipe, this one connects right here, and the filter replaces this box right here. So it's a fairly easy install. So let's get to work and get this thing installed. First step here, we're gonna remove this sensor. There's just a little pull tab right here. You're gonna squeeze it, and then remove that. Next step here is we got our flathead. We're gonna go right here and loosen this hose clamp. So we're gonna have to take this whole panel off. There's gonna be a pop clip here and then one right there as well. I already took them off. All you do for those is you grab a flathead and just pop them up and they come right off. And then the last step here, before we take this whole box out, we're gonna just take this tube and separate it from the air box. Should be pretty easy. Just kind of wiggle it. Now it's disconnected. We should be able to take this whole piece out in one piece. Before we install the intake pipe here, we're going to pre-install the air filter just to make it easier. The air filter is going to go on the end with the mounting tab, so it's going to clamp on right there. So we're going to slide the intake pipe into the coupler, bolt it down, and then the last thing we're going to do is connect the sensor again. All right, last step, we're gonna take the sensor out of the stock intake here and install it into the new one, plug in the sensor, and it should be all good to go. And once we have this, we're gonna go and install it into the new intake and just push it right in. And that should be good. And we're gonna connect it, and we're gonna plug her in. Boom. And just like that, we have an installed intake. Easy to install, it sounds amazing, and it does make the truck a little quicker. I'd give it a 10 out of 10.